that necessary?
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
You're never sorry.
Did you hear that? Did you hear it? It was like this. Do you know what it was? I think it was the snot in my nose. Like it was moving or something. It was Sid. He was scratching himself. It was my nose, dude. I swear to you, it was. No, I'm serious. It totally was, yeah. It was like, because then like all of a sudden the pressure kind of like came again. It's like, I think it was like all stopped up or something. I don't even know what's going on. It was Sid scratching himself. No, I'm serious. It was my nose. It was a little... Stop laughing at me, man.